Wag mo may tao. Wag mo. I like this, please. Like this, please. I, you can put down your things on the top of this red box. I want. My goodness, Cinderella. Alright guys, welcome to Ferrari World Abu Dhabi and welcome to Tire Change Experience. So here, basically you are going to change the tire as fast as you can, okay? Alright. So what's your name? Kim Lo. And how about you? Cinderella. Alright. So good afternoon guys, my name is Saul. So here you are going to change the tire as fast as you can, okay? So I will explain to you the mechanics first. By the way, this is the wrench. Aywa, wrench. Now, in changing the tire of an F1 car, you have to pull out the nut first. So this is the nut. So you have to put your wrench like this, make sure it is straight. Now, to unlock, you press the silver button in and the trigger. Once the nut is open, do not pull out the wrench gun yet, okay? Wait until the nut is stopping spinning. Or, you can stop it by pushing your wrench. Okay, now, once the nut is stopping spinning, grab it and make sure you hold them together, okay? Because they are not magnetic. Or else this nut will gonna run all over this area and it will take your time, okay? Alright, Cinderella? Okay. Now, are you going to do it as a team or individually? Challenge, okay. Okay, put it down. Now change this old tire to the new one. So you have to lift it up. You can throw it back to Laguna. You can throw it at your back or you can put it on your side. And then put this new tire, okay? After change, yeah, I will show you. Change. Put like this. Okay. Just you press the silver button at the back and the okay. It's Cinderella. Alright. I will give you one round practice, okay? After that, we will use the timer, okay? Alright, one of you will be here, one of you will be on the other side. If you have any question, please just let me know. Cinderella, please with goggles. Alright, you may now start. Good job, Cinderella. Put it down. Okay, guys, mindful and be careful with your hands while putting the new tire. Okay? Baka maipit. Yes, it's mabigat. Okay, lift it up, Cinderella. You can stand up if you want to. Push it more. Push it more. Very good. Push it a little bit more. There you go. Now, get back your nut. Hold them together, huh? It's okay. Pabayaan mo lang to. Now, and go. Good job. Okay, good job, Cinderella. Yeah, that's it. Ayusin mo yung gloves mo. My gloves. Okay na yun. Okay. This is gearing up to be a good one. We will now use the timer, okay? Cinderella, are you ready? How about you, Kim Lo? Okay, I want you to prepare your tire in your most comfortable area. We will now use the timer, okay? Alright. Yes. The other side. Okay, ready? Set. Alright. Go, Kim Lo. Make sure to press this button at the back and please careful with your hands while putting the new tire. Lift it up more, Cinderella. Lift it up more. And there you go. Go, go, go. All right. Time still clicking. Go, go, go. Lift it up. right, okay, now get back your nut and the wrench together like this. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, where is your nut and the wrench? Press the silver button at the back. And there you go. Alright! Alright, that's fine, Cinderella. Leave it there. Okay, guys, look at your score. So Kinlo got 19.7 seconds, while Cinderella got 39.1 seconds. Alright, you did a great job, guys. Still, you are amazing. Congratulations, Kinlo. Thank you so much for joining me here in the Target experience. Please drop your use gloves and goggles and the block pins on the side. And do not forget to sanitize your hands as well, okay? I hope you enjoy your day here in Ferrari World, Abu Dhabi, the home of the fastest roller coaster in the world.